So guys, right now I am moving from this place to the floating, island. So it is located, next to that, exactly in that. Yesterday when we are coming, we saw the beach, So there it's located. So I am moving from this. I'm vacating this room. So I'm going from here to there. So they'll take all my luggage and all. So we'll move there. I'll show you that. It is damn good. I'll stay there today night, and tomorrow one more place is there. There I'll stay. So from here we have to go, and I'll show you that place. Trust me guys, that is next level. Exactly floating, floating houses they'll call that. You can see floating houses. I'll stay today night, and tomorrow there is a one more guest house. There I'll go and I'll stay. I think I came from this route. This is the problem here. Because I forgot the routes. It's a very big. See here completely. We can't even find where we came and where we are going. And guys, here eagles also is there. Yes, Gadda, eagle. So they are, it's like a pets here. You can see everywhere. I'll show you those things. And there are so many games are there. We can play the games. See, Kerala. See, this is the map. Poor Island map. So this is a reception. See, you can see the reception is completely like Kerala style. Nice, no? You can see the architecture, everything. It's a completely like Kerala. You can see wherever you go in Kerala, the temples, how it looks and all. And here is a big swimming pool. I'll show you. Right now there is no permission for swimming and all according to government rules and regulations. If anybody want to stay in this floating house, guys, just 10,000 rupees per night. Again, I'm telling you, 10,000 rupees per night without taxes. Again, taxes extra you have to pay. So if anybody planning to come here, so make sure the price is 10,000 rupees. So guys, this is the floating room. So in this island, this is very famous. Most of the people, they'll come to stay here only. It's like a Maldives. You can see some small coconut tree also here. So it's like a Maldives only. So island surroundings, you can see the water. Yes. Guys, you can see it's a floating actually. See, it's a floating. This house also, you can see floating house, no? This is also floating. Downside there is no any construction. It's like this floating. He will explain how it will work actually.
It's a hollow constructions, and it is a special mixture of cement, and it is float on and anchored by ropes on four side. If you are just losing the wire, then you can sail it also, but you cannot.
Okay.
And we have a separate septic collections and everything, and water connection, dry connections from the land, and all the wastage, everything will be automatically pumped into our septic. Nothing is going to the water, even a drops of water.
So, and you know what, if you remove this this anchor, and it will go. It is like a moving boat only. They tied with this kind of all these ropes. Otherwise it will go. 1 second. See, they tied with this kind of ropes, otherwise it will move. This house, it's almost like a moving boat only. See, it's a floating house. Wow. Wow. See this bedroom. Ooh. You can see total, that is a beach and it's a river. Both will join in this place, delta. So today night I'm gonna stay here, guys. I'll show you proper video in this. It's really so nice. Let me do bath first, then I'll make some nice video here. I asked their help, they'll help me to make videos. Wow. Let me open this washroom. It's completely Kerala style, guys. Wow, the smell is really damn. It's really, really, really good. I feel like I'm in Maldives only. Let me do bath first.